a bad day, don't talk to me. I'm gonna ride this out. My little girl heart breaks apart from your big mouth. And I'm sick of my sickness. Don't touch me, you'll get this. I'm useless, lazy, perverted, and you hate me. But you can't save me, you can't change me. I'm waiting for my wake-up call, and everything's my fault. Went to the doctor and I asked her to make this stop. Got medication, a new addiction, thanks a lot. I had a relapse and bad rehab ruined everything. So point your finger at the singer, she's in the pharmacy. You can't save me, you can't change me. I'm waiting for my wake-up call, and everything's my fault. And you can't save me, you can't blame me. Well, I'm waiting, it's my fault. Yeah, ride it. Everything's my fault. It's all my fault. I went to heaven, I couldn't get in for what I have done. I said, please take me. They said, you're crazy, you had too much fun. But you can't save me, and you can't change me. I'm waiting for my wake-up call, and everything's my fault. You can't save me, and you can't blame me. I'm waiting here to take the fall, singing everything, yes, everything's my fault. It's all mine, it's all mine. It's all my fault. It's all my fault. It's all mine. Everything's my fault.